Do you know the top 7 jobs that AI will kill off by 2030? Is your job safe from an AI takeover? It's a startling question, isn't it? But it's one we can't afford to ignore. As we move further into the 21st century, the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are becoming impossible to overlook. With each passing day, AI grows more sophisticated, more intelligent, and more capable of performing tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. Nowhere is this more evident than in the job market. Certain professions are finding themselves increasingly under threat from AI. By 2030, some of today's most common jobs could be a thing of the past, replaced by more efficient, more accurate AI systems. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, and it's happening faster than you might think. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 7 jobs that AI is expected to kill off by 2030. First on the list, we have retail salespeople. Picture this. You're walking into your favorite store, but instead of being greeted by a friendly face, you're welcomed by an AI. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? Artificial intelligence is swiftly making its way into the retail sector, equipped to handle tasks such as inventory management, customer inquiries, and even sales pitches. The technology is improving at such a rapid pace, it's becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between human and automated customer service. AI doesn't need breaks, sick days, or holidays. It can work around the clock, providing consistent and efficient service. This doesn't necessarily mean humans will be completely removed from the equation, but it does indicate a significant shift in how retail jobs are performed. So, next time you're shopping, you might be interacting with a robot, not a human. The question is, are we ready to embrace this new shopping experience? Next up, truck drivers. It's no secret that self-driving vehicles are on the rise, and with them, the demand for human drivers is declining. Advanced artificial intelligence systems are now capable of navigating highways, recognizing traffic signs, and making split-second decisions, all without human intervention. The long hauls and late-night drives, once the domain of truckers, might soon be handed over to tireless machines. The open road might soon be dominated by AI. Now, on to manufacturing workers. Imagine a world where robots tirelessly perform repetitive tasks with absolute precision. This isn't some distant future, but a rapidly approaching reality. Robotics and artificial intelligence are gradually taking over assembly lines, making manufacturing more efficient, accurate, and cost-effective. This shift, while beneficial to business, is likely to lead to a sharp decline in manufacturing jobs held by humans. The factory of the future might not need humans at all. Fourth on our list, journalists. Imagine this, an artificial intelligence churning out articles and reports, all based on data inputs. This isn't a distant dream, but a reality that we're inching closer to each day. With AI's capability to analyze vast amounts of data and transform it into coherent narratives, the need for human journalists could dwindle. So next time you're engrossed in a breaking news story, remember, it might just be penned by a machine. Next, we have telemarketers. Now, think about it. Artificial intelligence has the capacity to handle sales calls and customer service inquiries with remarkable efficiency. This technology can work around the clock, never needing a break, and its algorithms can be fine-tuned for sales success. With the ability to analyze and respond to customer needs in real time, AI is rapidly rendering human telemarketers less necessary. So don't be surprised if your next sales call might be from a robot. Sixth on our list, accountants. In this digital age, artificial intelligence is becoming more adept at tasks such as data analysis and tax preparation. It's able to process vast amounts of information at lightning speeds, making it a perfect fit for the accounting world. As AI software becomes increasingly sophisticated, it can handle complex calculations, track financial trends, and even predict future outcomes. This could make human accountants less necessary. So don't be surprised if your taxes might soon be prepared by a machine. Finally, we have farmers. Agriculture, one of the oldest professions in the world, is not immune to the march of artificial intelligence. Imagine vast fields of crops not tended by human hands but by intelligent machines. These AI-driven machines can monitor crop health, adjust watering schedules, and even predict weather patterns to optimize growth. But it doesn't stop there. When it's time for harvest, fleets of AI-controlled harvesters can get to work, picking and sorting produce with an efficiency that far outstrips human capabilities. And all of this can happen round the clock, regardless of weather or time of day. What's more, These machines can be programmed to handle different types of crops, making them an all-rounder on the farm. So the human farmer, who wakes at dawn and toils till dusk, may slowly become a thing of the past. The farm of the future might be run by robots. So there you have it, the top 7 jobs that AI might kill off by 2030. From retail salespeople to truck drivers, from manufacturing workers to journalists, and from telemarketers to accountants, even farmers. Each of these professions stands at the precipice, staring at the vast expanse of change brought on by artificial intelligence. The impact of AI on the job market is undeniable. It's not a question of if, but when. The wheels of progress are turning, and they are turning fast. This evolution, or perhaps revolution, is not something to fear, but to understand and adapt to. The key lies in staying informed about AI developments. Embrace the change, adapt your skills, and stay relevant. The future might seem daunting, but remember, every end is a new beginning. The jobs AI might take over will be replaced by newer professions, ones we might not be able to envision today. Our world is on the cusp of a new era, an era where AI and humans coexist and collaborate. It's an era of unprecedented opportunity and potential. So let's not dread what's to come, but prepare for it. In the end, it's not about the jobs that AI will kill off, but about the opportunities it will create. It's about the future we choose to build with AI, not against it. So I leave you with a question to ponder. Are you ready for the AI takeover?